If you've lost access to your Instacart account and can't retrieve it using your email, follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Instacart login page. Go to the Instacart website or open the app and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that allows you to recover your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address, but since you don't have access to it, look for alternative recovery options. Step 3. Use your phone number. If you registered your account with a phone number, choose the option to receive a recovery code via SMS. Enter your phone number and follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot recover your account through the previous steps, reach out to Instacart's customer support. Provide them with any information they may need to verify your identity, such as your name, phone number, and order history. Step 5. Follow instructions from support. Once you contact customer support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for additional verification or provide you with steps to reset your account access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Instacart account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.